To integrate Twitter news feeds into your EventsX platform, what you will first need to do is log on to your account. Click on the business that you wish to integrate it with. Click on Integrations. Install Twitter. Install the application. You've now installed Twitter. Now you can add it to the event of your choosing. To select the area you wish to integrate it with, in this case we're going to select stage. And you'll be able to set a custom name here and give the Twitter ID, and that will pull in the news feed for that Twitter ID. Thank you.